Cybermen. They were humanoid creatures, much like you once. But their civilization developed a penchant for cybernetically improving upon the weaknesses of the flesh. They turned the burning light of their technology on something they felt was holding them back. Emotions. Some say they surgically removed their souls. And now, well, let's just say they suffer from something of a superiority complex.
Who are you?
I am the Doctor!
You are known to us. I shall now kill you, Doctor.